Hey Rio,
Hi.
what are you doing?
The chiles with the two brushes.
Oh, are those chiles?
Chile and chile.
Oh, I dare you to eat one. You want to eat one?
Chile.
I dare you to eat a chile. I'll give you $1. Go. Okay, go for it. Eat it. You're chewing. Okay, eat it. Are you a good Mexican boy? Is it hot? Is it hot? Do you want more? Do you want some more?
Maybe in a second.
Oh my goodness, you are a true Mexican boy. Sayonara. Adios.